Alright, so quick update on silver. So right now the price is 18.447. I got into the buy at like 18.47 or 46. So not too far from here. I just didn't wait until the MA 200 on the 1 minute, the moving average 200, the 200 day period moving average on the 1 minute to be hit. So now, excuse me, now technical hourly for silver, strong buy for silver. Guess I just showed you that anyway. So I'm gonna buy it up till this 4 hour candle closes. So we still have an hour, 4 hours to cast the guard size at 98. So we're gonna let that push to 100 and keep pushing 100 until the 4 hour candle is closed. By the time it's closed, hopefully this 57 RSI will most likely be over 70. Then we can get into our all night sell, and it's gonna sell so nice to the point of where you're gonna make about $100, $80 every trade. So we just want to last on the way up until it finally flash dashes up, and then we catch the flash crash down for $100 a trade, $80 to $100 a trade. So right now we catch it up. We don't know how much we'll get by the time it goes up. We looked at the hourly. We're on the hourly now, right? Okay, we didn't show you. We looked on the hourly. We really looked on the 5 hour and we see it again. There we go. We're on the 5 hour right now. The 5 hour moving average, 100 day period moving average, the MA 100. That's what that means. The MA 100, the price level for the 100 day, mean average kind of price. You know, it's that it's the second from the bottom. It's the first one. You know what I'm saying? It's the second lowest one. The price is it's two of them on every level. It's two of them. The first one to the left is called the EMA, right? No, that's the SMA. SMA stands for the simple moving average. EMA stands for exponential moving average. Boom. So the SMA one, the SMA 100, you can say like the SMA or EMA, but for now I just say the MA 100s. But the SMA is at 19.082. The EMA is at it's at 18.763. So we can cash out at 763. Most likely it will be maxed out by then. Sell it down to about, like it might pass 7. I don't think it touched 7 at all though. But right here it just says 763. So it'll touch it, most likely crash from there. And go down to the last price level that's on the 15-minute chart, at least on MetaTrader, saying like 17.763. It's always like $1 even spread kind of thing for silver. And the chart changed a little bit and it said 17, it said 18, like it said 17.90. So it might just go down. So maybe it might go up past 763 and touch 90, which is like a few, 20 pips away from the SMA 100 of 19.82. So we'll see. We'll just see. But we do have our take profit set for 750 for under this price level. So getting in at 460 and going up to 750, that's $30. That will at least let me get 3 trades in. Now, if I can get 3 trades in from the 5 hour RSI over 70, that's gonna count as the 15-minute RSI possibly being over 72, and then that's the full move. That's the full move. Now, in between that move, I have to do the same thing I was doing on the stochastic RSI. It's like I was in between the move today. But last night, I saw the move made, and then I don't think I had money on the line last night or whatever. So, yeah, I don't think I did. So I couldn't do it or whatever. I was waiting and stuff. Like I probably did have money on the crash or something. So I was just waiting for, and then I had my friend John, he traded. So I told him, yo, silver 15-minute RSI under 30 buy. He's like, sure? I'm like, I swear, bro. And then I was like, yo, look at the chart right here, 15 minutes. You see the top price level? 580. Boom. He's like, so you telling me it's going to go up to there? Yeah. Now, 24 hours later, it's up to there. And if he still has that trade, then boom, I made him $50. And I owe him $50. So boom, yeah, I probably still owe him $50. But just knowing like, all right, owes me $50, and he made me $50 on. He told me what to do. I did it, and it made me $50. Boom. So that means it's a 24-hour trade. So when we caught the RSI last night at 9 p.m., somewhere around 9 p.m. or whatever, we caught the RSI up. It's about to be 9 p.m. and the RSI in the 15 minutes about to be at 70 again. So this is really like a 24-hour trade. So that's when you really want to get in at the RSI 15-minute or 1 hour or 5 hour over 70 for your sales. And you go heavy if you have the money for it. You get into 5, 10 trades. That's how I trade. And then on silver, that will get you $1,000 a day, and that's what I'm after. So get that, you know. So it's like, so that's what we're going to do. The silver, so that's pretty much it, right? The buy it up into the RSI, right? Try to get the whole $30 off of that. $30, $35. You can get into 3, 4 trades on the way down. Boom, that's gonna go down by $100. You know what I'm saying? By the time it goes down, if you have 3 or 4 trades and you make it $300 or $400, and then on top of your $30 or $40, you already have $50. You have like 350, 450 on your way to, 500. Boom, from $10 Australian, $10 US dollars thrown into an Australian dollar account. It wasn't even a full 10 US dollars. It was like $8.75. So it was like seven something because it had more fees, seven something. Then they gave me a little bonus, so that made up for the fee. I'm good. Okay, cool. So about $8 US. So they gave me 13 Australian dollars. So they give me $5 more, 50% increase in my equity. Boom. All for it. So I'm only trading in AUD for now, just for that until crypto goes up, and it's gonna start going up like that. Then I'll throw it in crypto at the best time. So I'll check the crypto and figure out when's the best time to get back to holding off, trading in those currencies. But when they go down, it messes up your equity. AUD not going down like that. Like it is already going down. That's why it's so low. You Gucci. So we do it like that. So that's basically it. But we're gonna wait for the RSI to close when this candle closes at 9, and then we're gonna get into the buy if it's ready to buy at that point. But if it's not ready at that point, we're just gonna wait. We're gonna check the 15 minutes stochastic RSI. When it's finally at 100, we're gonna short it down to its neutral, and we're gonna automatically set our shorts at that point for 10 pips, maybe even do 8 pips. So that's gonna be 80 points or whatever. You know what I'm saying? 8 pips, 8 cents, and the price level change. 10 cents in price level change. Do that. That's our $10. We do multiple trades. Try to make like 20, 30 to $50 each short. And then we short that, make an extra 50 in equity, so we could ride up the buys even more. Now we have 5 more buys we could ride up at that point, and until the RSI maxes out. If the RSI does max out, we take our 3, 4 trades we can get into at that point and ride it all the way down for the $100 profit per trade. Come back with the 400, 450. Put that on the line, going back up. Let's get it. Mess around and bring in times 10 of that. Bring in like 4 bins. You go ahead and pay your rent real fast, and then throw a bin in Isaiah's account. And start breaking off all the clients that sent you money and stuff. And get them to open up accounts, fund their accounts, and start trading their accounts so they can pull out all the money they want and all of it. Pay you your commission, and you're good. And do it like that, and just start operating your other accounts and throwing money in all of your different brokers, and start trading silver on all the different brokers, and then um, trade fiat, trade crypto, trade other stuff, and so all right, cool. Price is at 451, so we're about to stop recording. We just want to do an update real quick. We got a brand new trade, so as soon as we trade, we like to just get the video out the way so we can get the best data to show you the data that we saw when we were doing the trade live. Until we get like a POV camera and we could just wear it, and then it's a wrap. On something like this, I need a POV camera so you could just see the chart from my camera and it's like, oh, look at this, oh, and then you see me spinning around, oh, you know what I'm saying? So, oh, you know, so it's going up, thank God. So we have an hour until this closes. We have an hour. We have an hour. We have an hour. So now we're just gonna go to the hourly candle because the hour just closed. So we have a new hourly candle. So let's check it out. See what it's looking like. New hourly candle still looking the same. RSI is 66. Stochastic at 89.734 overbought. Stochastic RSI 80.020 overbought. Williams R negative 8.482 overbought. And nowhere near overbought on that one. So we are going to go ahead and just do this. So oversold. It's like it's bad, but oversold. It's all good. Don't worry about it. All right, we got an hour. We have an hour. So when I do another video later, I'll go to the MetaTrader and show you or whatever. I guess I'll just do it now. Whatever, get that out the way. Make sure it's still good. Good. All right, so let's open up the chart for the silver SAGUSD 4-hour chart. You're about to see it right now. You're about to see a bunch of confusing squiggly lines. Oh my goodness, chat. What are you showing me right now? I'm showing you insta headache. You are now looking at a headache. What does all this mean? Looks like a third grader got in your marker drawer, chat. Right? Alright. That first box you see is my main chart. On there, the only indicators I really have, these are the indicators that I have. My main chart, I have a moving average. I have two moving averages. I can only see one right now. I must have set it too high. I have two moving averages, right? One moving average is the moving average 5. The other one is the moving average 350. That's most likely the one I can't see. I should move that to the moving average 20 just so I can fucking see it. Just go see what the 20 is. And I'll type the 20. See if you can see 200. I'm going to show you 200. No, I'm going to show you 200. So let's try 20. Still didn't see it. Anyway, all right. The other indicators I have are the moving average, two moving averages, the alligator. Then in my indicator window, under the main chart, you'll see 3 relative strength indexes. I have 3 different periods. I have the 7 period, I have the 2 period, and I have the standard 14 period. Boom. Went indicator window 2, Williams percentage range. I talk about that. I just mentioned that. Boom. Indicator window 3, relative vigor index. And indicator window 4, stochastic oscillator. Boom, those are mine. So right now, we're just the 4-hour RVI. That's my third indicator window under the main chart, right? That third one, right there, right? Third one, RVI. Can you see that it says positive right there? It's like backwards and stuff, but right there, RVI is positive on the 4-hour. So we're buying up on the 4-hour. We're buying up into the RSI is over 70. Now, that's simple. 15-minute. RVI is positive. 0.129 RVI on the 15-minute. We're buying up. It said oversold on the stochastic RSI. It said oversold. We're buying up. It's just, it had to drop under the 1 minute 200 E or SMA, whichever one, both of them. So the 200 MAs on the 1 minute had to drop under. I didn't wait for it to drop under. So dropped, waiting for it to go back up, and then we just do our thing. But we got to set, get out of 750. Might not be there by 9, but if it's not by 9, if at 9 p.m. when this 4-hour candle closes, if the stochastic RSI is not at 100, and it's going to be kind of hard maybe for it to go to 100 in 1 hour, so it's probably trying to tell you right there, that 4-hour candle is still, going to be, buying up after 9, so until 1 a.m. Mess around and buy up some more is what it is. Okay, cool. By the time it is 1 a.m., should be bought up all the way, at least for the stochastic RSI to be at 100 for the short for 10 pips. And then after that, keep buying back up until it's finally tapped out. Once it's tapped out, so by 1 a.m., if not by 9 p.m., and I don't see it being at 100 overbought coming from oversold, but it could be because it just went. It didn't go too low anyway. It really didn't go too low anyway. So we'll just see what's up. It is what it is. But it's like we're not switching from outside of the 4-hour candle direction. You see, the 15-minute RVI is positive. We are Gucci. The 4-hour RVI is positive. We are Gucci. The 1-hour RVI is positive. We are Gucci. That means we are going to an RSI of over 70. And the only short is going to take place on the 15-minute chart on the stochastic RSI. And that's going to go down just to neutral on that chart. Or you can move to the 1-minute chart and wait for the RSI to go under 30. So make the move, then go watch your 1 minute, Just watching both. When you see the 15-minute go neutral, go check your 1 minute, go get out. You see the 15-minute go neutral, get out. Switch over, go check your 1 minute. Should be about tapped out because you're going against the tide. So that leniency has been now neutralized. Get it? You're going against the tide. The tide on the 4 hour RBI is positive. So the 15 minutes stochastic RSI will be your only short, and it will be when it's at 100 over bot in an upward trend tide, and only until that tide, that wave of that tide that allowed you to go out on the other side of the tide is neutralized. And now you're gonna drown, and it's dropping. It's dropping. You know what I'm saying? It's like not super a lot, but I'm like, I know it's not selling and trying to like trick me, this and that, and whatever. But I just didn't sell it down until it dropped to this point. I should have just waited. Like I said, it still sells. Not now. I know, like okay, it's selling. I'd let that sell or whatever. But it was just the 1 minute chart hit is sell, and I was seeing that right before the money hit. I was like, the 1 minute is about to hit over 71, but the the RSI stochastic RSI is at zero. Like like it's not overbought at 100 on the 15 minute yet. So I was really confused. Like it's gonna drop, it is gonna drop, but it just dropped to its lowest, and those pips was like from 46 to 42. So 4 pips, not really a lot, but still like it'd be like $4 and stuff, $3 and stuff. That's how expensive silver is. So um, we're good. I'm not stressing. I get it. The 4 hour RBIs, they're all positive. Hourly, 4 hour, 15 minute. Let's check the 30 minute. You feel me? I'm not worried about it. 30 minute, 0.287 positive. So it is what it is. 5 minute negative. That's what we just saw. Pulling it down until at least the 1 minute was maxed out, or at least neutralized or something. Um, so yeah, now the 1 minute says neutral. Like that's where it was just going down to hit 70, just going to neutral, doing the same thing. Okay, same way how I just said like the stochastic RSI in an uptrend tide in a positive RBI tide, we say it like that. A positive RBI tide is gonna keep pushing it, pushing the stochastic RSI at 100. Then it's gonna go down, but it went down before the RSI itself was over 70. So it's just going down to the 15-minute RSI. Stochastic RSI is neutralized, which can be seen on the 1 minute chart or whatnot. So I guess like when that 1 minute chart does hit 71, like you saw it, like it was at 47, you had to sell it down and be like $5. You caught it right there. But yeah, when that 1 minute chart, that's your short. So it's gonna be just like two shorts. The 1 minute chart itself being over 71 on the RSI, you take that. That's what just happened. You take that. Other than that, you got the 15-minute stochastic RSI for 10 pips. It's the same thing, but they don't happen at the same time. Like this time, it wasn't like that. So that's why I was honestly confused. I was just getting the money. I was like, what do I do? I know it's buying. Got to keep buying for this candle, 4 hour candle, but this 1 minute about to be topped out. But the 15 minutes stochastic RSI is not topped out. So you take the 1 minute. When you see the 1 minute topped out on the RSI over 70 or under 30, take that trade to sell it at over 70 or buy it under 30. Boom. After that, you take that trade up, and your only other short would be on the 15 minute stochastic RSI when it's overbought at 100 and an RBI and a positive RBI tie. And boom, yeah. So thank you all for. And this video was long. Damn, thank you all.